All right, so we just had an alert come in for a KP7. Planetary K index currently at 7. Great view of the north. We'll see if we can pick up some more Aurora here. Exciting stuff going on. Geomagnetic storm conditions. Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. We made sure we kept the camera at a low enough position to create some contrast. The being able to view vehicles driving past is actually an advantage as it creates contrast between the sky and known light sources on the ground. Let's pan over a little bit to get rid of a little of that light pollution. Instead of just illuminating everything. Gonna get 10 minutes of footage here if possible. Again, just saw the KP7 alert as I set up the tripod, so you can't necessarily trust the auroral forecasts because oftentimes we see aurora where they aren't forecast, and oftentimes we don't see aurora where they are forecast. Our earlier two videos from tonight are a prime example of why to take video if you think you see the aurora, because they're largely ultraviolet emissions not visible to the naked eye. So make sure you take long exposure photos or perhaps full brightness video, as your camera is able to detect things your naked eye cannot. So we had a lot of pink in the earlier video. There was a combination of green and pink colors flowing around. It was fantastic. Hopefully this one is the same. We can't really see it on the viewfinder, so we'll have to view later on the screen to determine if this was worth uploading or not. We'll run about another 4 minutes since we just saw a KP index of 7 indicated. So, and the next geomagnetic storm could be even more intense than this one, as it's more earthly directed, more dense, and there'll be a lot of empty space between the sun and earth by the time that one shows up. So that'll be right on March 1st. So we may see around sunset, we may see a crazy geomagnetic storm here early in the evening on March 1st, kicking off March the right way with some space weather. Fingers crossed. Let's see, if that was north, then you got west right off in this direction, which means if you go to your zenith, come down toward the west, you should see the brightest star in the sky. Must be that way. That must be Arcturus. That should be the brightest star. Which means that is Jupiter, I think. Oh, no, wait. Nighttime side. Let's see. Nighttime side. The sun will rise over there. Saturn? I think it's... No, Saturn shouldn't be that high yet, should it? Yeah, it might be Saturn. Bright lights. All right, we're going to shut this thing down here momentarily. Hopefully we captured some more aurora here. Rare aurora over at Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Hopefully more to come soon, as there is indeed more space weather on the way. Make sure you view the daily videos and check our playlists for lots more content, as we are forecasting these sorts of things. Otherwise, we wouldn't know when to be out here, now would we? So anyway, thanks for tuning in. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. I've been your host, Dan, aka Smash-O-Mash, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.